And the volume is still picking up for Trka, 175 million, 36%, and the price is still crawling up. You see what's happened here? We got rejected first around the 41, as we discussed in our live streaming around 3 p.m. When the market opened, we said the first profit taking around the 40 cent, price got rejected, and we're still holding, and we already did chart analysis alert on our Discord channel about the breakout zone, because there's something about to happen for Trka. We're still holding the support, and there's a potential breakout and ultimate profit taking for it. Next up, we got Lhdx reverse from our bottom that we discussed in our live streaming above this box, the 44 and the 55. A reversal because we got rejected around the 65. This is the resistance, and you know why the price is jumping? Because we got FDA approval for COVID-19 flu home test. Today we pumped almost 400% and now is down around the 268% up and 215 million worth of volume. Next up, we're gonna discuss, of course, AMC is breaking from this flag. We're gonna discuss where the squeeze area for AMC. Next up, we got Lunar because the price got rejected the 28.50, which is our resistance level. The potential pump for this stock. SRNEQ went down 23%. You know why? Of course, because we got rejected around the 40 cents, and the other one we got is BBBY because it's getting near a bottom price. We have to discuss the squeeze area for it. We got Nvidia is about to break an important level of resistance around the 238. If you want to load up on Nvidia with free shares, you can on Momo, because now there is a special offer, 17 free stocks with my special link in comment section below. And those stocks that you can win is DKNG, Tesla, Amazon, and AMC, of course. And how you can win those free stocks? You can just open an account and get one free stock. But if you deposit $100, you have the chance to win 7 free stocks in total. And of course, this offer ends at the end of March. And not just free stocks you get on Momo, you have an access to level 2 data, which is AI supported. On Momo, you can actually search easily to find out the stock related to ChatGPT by search ChatGPT in the search box, and check out the free and updated daily short sale data. Find more trending concepts with Momo concept sectors. This will make it easier for you to find those stocks that have potential to squeeze. So use this opportunity and get your 17 free stock with my exclusive link in comment section below. So let's get right back to our video. First with Trka. The price is still doing higher lows and holding this important level of ascending channel, which confirm that the price is still have bullish momentum to continue toward 49, which is our profit taking. In the time being, we need to hold this ascending channel and continue toward the first profit taking. And you see here, this is our support that we actually pumped from, and we held above it in our live streaming. As we said, if we hold above the 36, we're gonna have a continuation, and that's what we did around the first half an hour market open. We test this level of support, the price bounce, and still holding this ascending channel. So there's a continuation for Trka to go toward the 49.37. So we're gonna do update, of course, for tomorrow if we overcome the 49, the first profit taken for Trka. Stay tuned for that. Next up, we got Lhdx, reverse from our bottom that we discussed in our live streaming, which is above the 44 and the 50 cent. So what we should expect, this one have a huge gain for today, almost 400%. And we said it in our live streaming, is overextended, a reversal from this huge pump and loading up from this box. That's why the price went down and went almost 39% down. I suggest from our hunters, never get FOMO and let the price come to you and never run after the price. This was the great example for our hunters. Are we gonna have another pump? Of course, because we have a great fundamental news regarding FDA approval for the new product for the COVID-19, the flu home test. As long as we hold the 44, this will be a potential reversal in coming days and even in power hour for this stock to go toward the 65. So the 65 is the most important level to test to confirm a strength, because if we got tested here around the 65 and we got rejected, is mean we're not ready yet and we might get shorted this time and break the 44. So watch out. This is a really important level to break, to go toward the 86 and then the $1.39. And we might see this price action for tomorrow. Let me just check how much we can do here. Almost 170% up. There's a potential because today we already jumped 400%. Tomorrow we might have another 170%. So we watch for this bottom confirmation for strength for this stock to continue to go higher. Next up on our list, we got AMC. AMC doing all right. We have this flag. We broke from it in our live streaming. And we said there's a potential pump after we break this flag. And this what happened, and the price is still holding actually. We have this conjunction area above this flag. So what we should expect? The $7 is the squeeze area and potential resistance. What I mean by squeeze area is mean if we didn't get rejected as usual and going down, because this is confirmation for strength for AMC and squeeze toward the $9 or around the $8.90. If we get rejected, it means the price is not ready yet and then continue to go down, hold above the $6.50, then continue toward the $5.60. So watch out. This is really turning point for AMC at the moment. Next up, we got Lunar. As we suggested before, this stock is pretty volatile, and we said 28.50 is our resistance. We didn't overcome this level of resistance. The price went down. We have just 2 days left for the earnings for the stock. However, at the time being, we testing an important support. If we broke this level, it means a sell-off and going toward the 17.90 and maybe even lower. So watch out. If we held it, it means there's a potential for retest for the 28 and going toward the $33. Next up, we got SRNEQ, went 23% down. Oh boy, this one had potential to actually pump, but we didn't. We got rejected and the price went down from the 40 cent until the 26 cent. And we held our support as we suggested above the 27 cent as we discussed it in our live streaming last Friday. This should be our support to confirm that we stopped the selling pressure and the bleeding and then going higher toward the 46 after we break the 40. If we get this reaction going toward the 32 and getting rejected and don't hold the 26, I don't suggest to average down or even buy around this level, because we might have another dip over the 25% and going below the 17 cents. So watch out. This is really turning point for SRNQ. Lastly, we got BBY. The price is still getting near the $1.28. Usually when we go near any support, we should have a reaction from the market. It's like, think about it like in Black Friday. When you see a drop in a price for a new TV or a new PlayStation, you see a lot of people fighting to buy the TV because it is discounted 50%. Now we don't have this reaction for BBY. When the price go to any support, we need a reaction for traders buying BBY and seeing the huge wick and the price actually parabolically go up. This is where we want to see the same reaction for Black Friday. Usually when we see a drop in price, a lot of people run to buy some stuff they don't need. We need the same thing happening for BBY. When actually hit this support, we need a reaction for the market to tell us that we actually hit price value, where we're gonna go there and we're gonna have a huge pump. Now we're not there yet. We are below the $1.75. So this will be a test. First resistant, but for my opinion, the $2.11 is the trigger for squeeze to go toward the $2.89. Of course, tomorrow we're gonna do a live streaming at the same time around 3 p.m. CET, and we're gonna do a pre-market update for the stocks that have potential to squeeze, like Trka if it pump over the first profit taking, for precise entry and exit for it in the pre-market, because it's pretty volatile as we said. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.